This may happen to you if you don't take these steps. 1 in 4 people in their lifetime will develop a mental health issue, according to the World Health Organization. I lost a colleague, someone that I happen to know, to suicide. On Sunday, January 26th, Dr. Ikenna Erinne was alleged to have taken his own life. No one deserves that, and taking one's life is not an option at all.
Shocking details have emerged about the death of a 36-year-old Nigerian cardiologist, Dr. Ikenna Erinne, who recently took his own life in the United States.
Have you ever felt you are drowning in your own thoughts? I know that pain is real. I am going to give you some powerful steps you can take to get out of it. 1. Speak up and don't bottle up. Keeping everything inside you only makes it heavier. Talk to someone you trust, a friend, a teacher, or even a counselor. Your feelings deserves to be heard. 2. Find your people. You don't have to fight alone. Surround yourself with people who remind you that you matter. 3. Take care of your mind and your body. Eat well, sleep well, and move. It may sound simple, but these small things can make a big difference in how you feel. Getting enough sleep, staying physically active, and eating a balanced diet can make stress a lot easier to manage. 4. Make every day have a meaning. What do I mean by that? Do something that gives you a sense of success and purpose every day. You have to have a mindset that things don't happen to you, but happens for you. 5. This one is very powerful. Stay hopeful. You can't change the past. You can't change the past, but you can always look forward to the future. Being open to change make it easier to adapt and view new challenges with less worry. 10. Hope is powerful. And number 6, ask for help. You see, reaching out isn't weakness. Some people think that when they reach out, they ask for help, they are weak. That's not weakness. It's actually strength. Therapy, support groups, even a simple conversation can change everything. Life